I've tried out a lot of travel gadgets, but I have to say there are some that I have absolutely been sleeping on, including one that people have been telling me about for years. I finally tried it. Yes, it is that good. And another item that is absolutely new, and you're going to want to use it on your next cruise. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you cruise and travel often, you may or may not know about these items. Some of them I actually had seen for years, but I never actually tried them. And some of my viewers did suggest them, and I am absolutely sold. However, I will admit, there is one item I am going to share it with you in this video. I have had many people email me about it, asking me what I think, and I'm going to share my honest opinion in this video. Now, before I get started, I wanted to mention two things. First, the links to all of the different items in this video are going to be down below in the description of the video, as well as a pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Okay, starting off strong with the hero clip. And yes, by the way, my dog Abby loves this chair in my office, so she is joining me today. So the hero clip. Now, I've actually seen this over the years. However, I finally got one, and this is so smart. Very solid, by the way. So what you do is this actually can kind of move in all different ways, but super smart. Here, you can just hook your item right in here. So as an example, I've got my backpack here. I've got it hooked here. And if I went to the washroom and I want to hang this over the top of the door, and ladies, let me know if this happens to you, that sometimes you go to the washroom somewhere, you've got your handbag with you, and there's no hook on the door or the wall, and you end up holding your purse while you go to the bathroom. Not very easy, and you definitely do not want to put that on the floor. So this is super helpful, and it could be good as well, even if you go to a restaurant and you need to hang your purse on the table or on the side of the chair, then you can do that as well. Now, I am curious if you've used this hero gear clip before, and if this is a staple when you travel. Okay, now next I have a Genius Cruise and Travel Essential. Now this is not really new to cruisers, but this one in particular might be. So if you like to bring a fan with you when you travel, and especially for cruise cabins, which a lot of people find they tend to get stuffy. I'm convinced that maybe cruise lines actually do something where the air conditioning doesn't work at full capacity during the night. Let me know if it is just me, but it definitely feels that way. Anyway, I like this fan. What this fan does is, first of all, it is nice and flat. So you can see it does not take up a lot of room. I have another one that is a flat fan, but it does not have this feature. Magnets. Yes. This can go right on your cabin wall. In most cruise ship cabins, the walls and the ceilings are going to be metal. So you can actually just sort of hang that on the side of you. This can tilt the way you want it to. And here, listen to that. That's at a low. Nice and light if you just like a little breeze. Stronger. Stronger again. This is really nice and strong. Very good. And you can bring this on a cruise. And honestly, if you're traveling anywhere, you might like this. Okay, now this one is for the guys. And honestly, it could be for the ladies as well. But it is a travel belt. Now, if you want a light belt, and if you're moving around a lot and you do not want a metal belt, because you want something that you could wear in the airport that you do not need to take off, this is a very good quality belt. It is adjustable, and this is great to have on a cruise and when you're traveling. Thin towel bands. Now, I recently started to use these towel bands, and I really like them. Now, I've been using them on cruises, but we actually did a little 3-day land stay before our last cruise, and I used them at the hotel as well. Now, what I really like about these is they're really easy to stretch, so they're not too difficult. And they are nice and thin, so they do not take up a lot of room. And I've used them a few times, and so far they haven't discolored at all. A Ziploc style TSA approved size pouch. Now, if you're somebody who likes to travel with Ziploc bags, I think that you will really like this one. Now, you could use this to travel with and to fly. It is 1 quart, so it is TSA approved, and the sizing is right here, which is quite good. But if you just need something to pack some liquids in your luggage, even like your checked luggage, and you want something that's not going to leak and is going to keep everything organized while also keeping everything nice and see-through so you can see everything, these pouches are just genius. Now, if you have watched my videos before, I do have quite a lot of new items in this video, but I did want to share a couple of items that many people might not be aware of, so bear with me with that. But a new item I've just become aware of, and I think that this is really smart. So this is a little mini flashlight. Ooh, there you go. You can see that. So I thought that this was really smart and just as a travel item, and I think people, when they're traveling in general, might bring a little flashlight, but if you aren't, I think that it is really smart to do. Now, I'm actually bringing this the next time I'm traveling, and I'm just going to keep this actually on my car keychain all the time. So you could do that. But I think that this is really smart. First of all, it's practical because if you want to read a menu or something, if you're out even, you know, like on a land trip or pre-cruise stay, you can do that, but on the cruise ship as well. And there is a practical reason for me that I do think about. There have been some cruise ships that have lost power for a certain amount of time. Now, not very long. Some people have said it's been 20 minutes. But during those periods of time, if you're in your cabin or even if you're somewhere on the cruise ship where, you know, it happens to be dark during that time, that could be very handy. And of course, you do still have your phone, so that is always good, but just in case your phone is not powered or not close to you. Okay, now if you are sailing on a Princess cruise, I have something that you definitely are going to want to bring. On Amazon, they sell medallion holders. Now, just to let you know, this is a medallion from our last Princess cruise. What is a medallion? Well, basically, instead of a cruise card, you get a medallion. Your medallion is going to be able to unlock your door, so you can actually open your door almost hands-free. You're going to use it to get on and off the ship, and every time you get a drink, etc. So you need to have your medallion with you all the time. And it does come on a lanyard, so honestly, you can wear your lanyard around if you want to. They'll give it to you free on Princess. However, what a lot of people do is they wear their medallion either on a wristband, which I will show you, and as well, this is the medallion holder that I used on my last Princess cruise, and I just put this right on the back of my phone. Now, for anybody who's interested, I did want to share with you the dress that I am wearing. I wore it in another video, and several people did ask me about it. I find it so pretty. Of course, you know that blue is my favorite color, but I love the little ruffle at the bottom of this dress, and it really is quite comfortable. Now, I will leave a link down below. I'll also leave a couple of the other dresses that I've worn recently that people have asked me about. And I know a lot of people do want to know also about men's clothing. So I'm going to leave a knit top as well as a pair of the Lululemon style chino pant that is a great price on Amazon down below. A Bluetooth tracker. Now, I think a lot of people do know about AirTags. That is absolutely wonderful. But what happens if you don't have an iPhone and you want something else? You can use a Tile, but there is something else. Now, this is a wallet tracker card. And even if you do have an iPhone, I think that this is really handy because beyond what an AirTag will do, this can actually be kind of set up through the app onto your phone so that you can put this on your keychain, you can keep this on your wallet, and you can set it up to beep or notify you. A water bottle, and in particular, the Awala Free Sip water bottle. Now, people have been telling me about the Awala water bottle for about a year, but it's only recently that I actually started to use it. I absolutely love this water bottle. I am a true convert now. This is great because look at how it closes, but you can also hold it from this handle. This part here, you've got this free sip portion and you have a straw as well. And it all comes apart and it's very easy to clean. A portable drink caddy. Now, I cannot believe how popular these have become. I can tell based on how many are actually sold from Amazon, from our links. So I can see how many of these are purchased, and people comment on Facebook and send me emails of how much they are loving this item. Now, this is not for everybody. Do not think that this is a must-have, but this is a maybe. So let me show you what it does. And it is very lightweight. So what you do is, these are all little sort of cup holders. And what you'll do is you'll put your coffee cup in here, or, you know, your cup of beer or something like this. And people say not only on cruises, but they use it at festivals as well, which I think is quite smart. And the good thing is, if you're a family of, and by the way, there's an additional one here. So if you are a family of 4, or if you're 3 people or even 2 people, you want to be a little bit more hands-free, this really does the trick. Okay, let's talk hair tools. Now, sometimes people ask me, can I bring a straightener on a cruise, a curling iron on a cruise ship? And yes, you can. Even though you cannot bring an iron and you can't bring other things with heating elements, hair tools are typically the exceptions. Now, this one is by the brand Wavy Talk, and it is a thermal brush. So what happens is you plug this in and you heat this up, and honestly, it is quite fast, and it'll make like these nice sort of waves in your hair, almost give you that like blowout soft wave kind of look. I've been using this for a couple of months and I absolutely love it. Okay, another item that you should be bringing on a cruise, if you're on any hot weather cruise, is a cooling fan. Now, people do bring fans with them when they go on a cruise. Sometimes the neck fan, sometimes a little blowing fan. That is good. But this one is actually a cooler fan, and I don't usually see people with it. I can tell you I have brought this a couple of times and people want to know where I got it. So this is on Amazon. It is not the cheapest fan, but there's a reason. This part here is a cooler. I'm going to turn it on. There we go. Oh my goodness. It is cold, the air. Cold, cold, cold. So the way this works is it's actually a cooler. So rather than just recirculating the hot air that you already have where you are, it actually cools down the air. It takes about 5 seconds and you feel the difference. It's like standing in front of the fridge, except it's blowing air right on you. Now I'm finally trying out this newer item. Now these are a type of packing cube, but a vacuum type packing cube. So the idea is you have this, it is available in different sizes, and you're going to vacuum out the air. Now, a lot of people have asked me to give these a try. I am a fan of compression packing cubes. I did try them to see what I think. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Now, I've filled this up with clothing. You can see it is pretty big, but again, it's available in different sizes. So what you do is you zip this up. Now, I will tell you right away, one thing I don't love is the fact that it's not completely see-through. So that is something that I don't like as much compared to a compression packing cube that has a mesh on top. But let's give it a try and see if it really is a space saver. So it's sucking out the air right now. Doing a good job sucking out the air. This part is a little bit bigger here. So I am going to show you, this is what I end up having. I might have been able to suck out a little bit more of it, and maybe it would have been better if I did have the smaller ones. But in my opinion, this isn't necessarily better than a compression packing cube that, even though I'm stuffing out the air myself, that personally I feel like I can get pretty thin. Now here is my compression packing cube. This is from BagSmart, and I have a set of 6. I like them because the set of 6 gives me this medium size, the larger size, and also a small elongated size. But if you look, I had it fairly filled up. Now what I'm doing is I'm compressing it using this sort of double zipper. And even though I'm doing it manually, it really is compressing quite well. And this way, because it is mesh, I'm able to see exactly what is in it. Now, I will leave either way for both of the items. I'm going to leave all the links down below. Now, there are some other items that people do bring on a cruise that are definitely not very common. And sometimes if you do see people with them on a cruise, you'll say, why didn't I think of that? So I'm just going to name them quickly. One of them is aloe vera because If you do get a lot of sun on a cruise, which does happen, the Caribbean sun is like nothing else, then you'll want to have aloe vera. The particular aloe vera that I use is organic. It is non-sticky. It is the only one that I've used for years, and I absolutely swear by it. Other thing is water shoes. A lot of people say they regret not bringing them. Now, you do not absolutely need them, but if you're going to a cruise private island, sometimes it's a little bit rocky, or if you're doing an excursion like climbing up Dunn's River Falls. And towel hangers, these are absolutely genius. They're great for traveling, even in hotel rooms, because honestly, hotel rooms sometimes just don't have a lot of hangers. And you can even pack on these if you want to pack like a few little sundresses or something like that. I've done that before, and that's a pretty handy packing trick. Now, I am going to leave all of the links to the items that I shared with you in today's video down below in the description, as well as a pinned comment. Please let me know what are some of your favorite items that I shared in today's video, or some other items that I should be trying out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.